Hi everyone and welcome to Newegg TV. My name is Paul. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and overview of this new video card from ZOTAC. This is the GeForce GTX 660. We'll start off with a closer look at the retail box. Of course you get an extended warranty from ZOTAC if you purchase this product, so that's nice to have. You get 2 GB of GDDR5 memory, and that is a 192-bit interface. Runs at 1,502 megahertz or 6,008 megahertz effective memory clock. And this being a GTX 660, it is based on the Kepler architecture. There's some more details on the specs right there. Memory interface, the inputs and outputs, compatibility of course, compatible with 64-bit Windows Vista and 7 and all that good stuff. Here's sort of a line drawing of the card itself, which we're going to take a closer look at in the box. They have a customized cooler that they are stating keeps it 10 degrees Celsius cooler and 10 decibels quieter than the stock cooler for the 660. They're calling that the dual silencer cooler. Also down here at the bottom we have some more key features. These are the Kepler features from the 600 series that NVIDIA is now bringing to everyone with the release of the 660. You of course get GPU boost, which gives you an automatic GPU overclock, TXAA and FXAA, which are anti-aliasing technologies, which may or may not be available in the games you're playing, but when they are, they're pretty effective. Adaptive Vsync is a really cool feature that sort of turns Vsync on and off automatically based on the refresh rate of your monitor and the frame rate of the game that you're playing to give you the smoothest possible playing situation and environment. NVIDIA surround technology, so you can actually power up to 4 displays out of this video card, just a single video card. You can use 3 of them for gaming, you can use the 4th as a companion display. Of course, DirectX 11, physics, 3D vision, all that other good stuff right there. Let's go ahead and get this one out of the box. Inside the retail box, we have a ZOTAC installation DVD, so that's going to have your Boost Premium software, which is ZOTAC's overclocking software from within the operating system. Also your graphics card drivers, but of course you should probably get the latest drivers from the NVIDIA website because chances are by the time you get this disc, the drivers that are on it are outdated. You also get a little ZOTAC case badge if you're into case badges. You get, a promo code. 3-day game pass for Trackmania Canyon. Right there, I'm blocking that promo code for you. You get some information here on the ZOTAC Boost Premium software. Yes. We also have a ZOTAC extended warranty information right there. If I can quickly find out the actual length of the warranty, I will tell you guys. And something's telling me that it's not going to be... Alright, wait, now we're into different languages. Who knows? You get a warranty for this card, I'm sure it's listed somewhere. Extended warranty program. Alright, you got to register your card within 14 days. Keep a copy of the sales receipt, of course. United States. Registration warranty. 5 year. According to this, I'm reading 5 years. That may or may not be true, but you can double check it for yourself if you want. I don't want to take too much time up. All right, ZOTAC graphics card is sort of a basic installation manual here. If you're not familiar with installation of a graphics card, you can reference this manual. You can also check out our How to Build a Computer video series on Newegg TV because that's also a good way to do it. You get a video adapter right here, so that's a DVI to Vga adapter, so digital DVI to a 15-pin D-sub analog VGA connector. This only works with one of the plugs on the card. I'll show you which one. You also get 2 Molex to 6-pin Pci Express Power connector right there. And bear in mind, with this one, you do want at least a 450-watt power supply for the video card and your whole system. And a closer look at this video card as I awkwardly attempt to measure it for the camera here. As you can see, the longest part of the shroud there is just a little bit beyond 7.5 inches, so not very long at all. You should give yourself probably about 7 3/4 inches at minimum, I would say, to provide a little bit of clearance so you can get the card in and out of your case. But yes, very small, diminutive card. You might recognize this design. It is the same one they've used for the 660 Ti. So here, looking at the back side of the card, you can see they have a nice black PCB. Matches very nicely with their sort of orange and black color scheme they have going on the front. They've managed to fit 2 individual fans on this, and then they have an array of aluminum fins beneath that. They've also got 2 copper heat pipes that extend right there from going right there to make almost direct contact with the GPU to extend out here to a little bit further out on the heat fin assembly just to disperse that heat and make sure that the card stays nice and cool. Flipping over to this side, as you can see, you have a single 6-pin Pci Express Power connector, as previously mentioned, 450-watt power supply with a single 24-amp rail at minimum is recommended for this card. You also have a single SLI finger right there, so you can set that up and you can actually do 2 of these cards in 2-way SLI. That's the max supported by the 660. Up here at this side, you can see the PCI Express connector. This is, of course, PCI Express Gen 3 compatible, as is the rest of the 600 series from NVIDIA. It gives you additional bandwidth and a bit more efficiency, but if you are running PCI Express Gen 2, don't worry, it's still compatible and it's really not going to affect your speed very much at all. Down here at this end, they've actually put an additional aluminum heatsink on the VRMs, so it's going to help keep those a bit cooler. Just sort of a look at the card from all sides, you can sort of see the underside of that cooling assembly. If you can see, like right in there, they've actually also put a kind of black bracket that's going on top of some of the memory, so it's going to help cool those off a little bit more as well. So a pretty good job by ZOTAC overall, I would say, just in the general look and feel of this card. It definitely feels like it's solidly assembled. They put some shielding on the DVI brackets there at the back as well, for example. And yeah, let me just go ahead and move on here to the video outs here at the back of the card. So you have 2 dual-link DVI connectors. Again, the top one here, digital only. Bottom one here is digital and analog. So if you're going to use that adapter, plug it into the lower port right there. Both of these will support 2560 by 1600 resolution if you have a higher res monitor. You also get HDMI and DisplayPort 1.2 outs. Those will both also do audio as well as video outs, and again supports 2560 by 1600 resolution. Finally, just look at the card from this side, because in most computer case implementations, that is the angle that you look. So you'll be able to see a couple of your heat pipes sticking out, as well as the side of that custom heatsink fan. That's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. Once again, this has been the ZOTAC GeForce GTX 660. I'm Paul with Newegg TV. If you guys want to see more tech videos, as well as some more videos on the 600 series in general from NVIDIA, as well as some benchmarks and comparisons, you can check out our Newegg YouTube channel. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time.